Hi guys, this is Amy with Found Things Art, and I'm going to show you how to do the spike cluster in the round, and this is for my Hope Spikes Beanie, and it is available on Ravelry as a pattern, and so this is just a demonstration of how to do it in the round per my pattern. So we have crocheted 7 single crochet, and now we're going to do our spikes cluster. Look at how pretty it looks. Alright, so now we have to go down one and over, and then insert our hook there, go around and yarn over, and pull up a stitch. Okay, and for our next, remember it goes on a V right there. So for the next stitch, we are going to go down that double crochet, and on the diagonal, find the next stitch. So right there, we insert hook, yarn over, and pull up another stitch. Okay, and so that's our second one, and for our third one we're going to go all the way down to this single crochet round right here and insert. You got to go to the left just slightly and pull up a loop. So now we would have 4 loops on the hook. I have a double-stranded yarn, so it looks like more, but it is 4 loops on the hook. And for the next one, the fourth one, we want to go to the left one, and we insert our hook there between those double crochets, and we pull up a loop. And this one, it's okay to just use your hand to give it more slack, so you're at the top of this round right here with all your loops. Okay, and for our last one, we are going to actually put this in the top single crochet to the left of this stitch. So it's slightly different than your gauge swatch, and there's a reason for that, which I will get to in just a second. So now we yarn over and pull through all loops, and then we finish off. Because we are still in the increase rounds, we're going to put another single crochet in that last spike stitch, so we are increasing. Okay, and then we continue our pattern on for the next 7 stitches, and then we repeat our spike cluster. And as you can see, it's starting to look beautiful. All right, I hope that helps and gives you a better visual, and I can't wait to see all your Hope Spikes beanies. Happy crocheting!